Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Microsoft Office 365 in your computer for free and for life. So I would like you to follow every step I'm going to show you here. As you can see, this particular Microsoft is activated and it's for life. I'm going to be showing you step by step. Follow me as I show you all the process. Do not skip this video. Now I'm going to be putting this link in the description for you to click on. You enter your email address here. When you enter your email address, then you're going to click on next. I would like you to follow me as I walk you through this process. Do not skip any part of this video so that you don't miss it. Okay, now after that you're going to click on setup account. Okay, if you don't have a Microsoft account, of course you're going to set up a new account. So setup account here, click on setup account. In here you are going to provide your details. Okay, you're going to provide your first name, last name. If you have a middle name, you can also include it here. I'm providing mine here. So you too, you have to provide yours. Okay, then you enter all the details here in this form. Okay, now there will be need for you to provide business phone number, that is your phone number. Okay, now if you enter, there's a possibility for you to encounter some issues while trying to go through this, especially when you enter your country code. If you get this error that you're seeing on the screen, there's a way around it. I'm going to be walking through it. Okay, it is best for you to first go and select your country or region, and then now come back again to business phone number section. Okay, this is important because by default, I guess it's US that is already selected and it counters the particular country code that you are using. Okay, so since you're not using +1, except you are from the United States, you can see now without even using the country code, everything is fine. The error has been cleared completely because I've selected my country first. Please take note of it and click next. Alright, so give it a little time for it to load. All of this is dependent on your internet. Now it is going to send, they're going to send you some code into your phone, which is a verification process just to identify you. Okay, so click on send verification code. Okay, as you can see there, it's a 30-day trial version that we are trying to install. We are going to activate it for life. Now you have Office in your system that you can use for your document work. Alright, I'm going to enter the details. I just got the prompt on my phone. Okay, and after entering that, you click on verify. Okay, now here you're going to enter a domain. Right, that is a place in Microsoft, okay, that is created for you. Okay, like a business name. You can use your name. I'm going to use my name. You can use whatever it is that you want to use. You can use a business name. It doesn't really matter, but it must be unique to you. You can't use mine because I've already picked it already. Alright, so it must be unique to you. The particular domain name that you pick must be unique to you. It is your unique identifier on Microsoft. So you click on check availability. This availability, you see it to show is available. Now this is exactly what I'm going to use. Check availability, then you click on next. Okay. Click on next. Alright. Here you provide username. This particular Microsoft 365 gives you access to actually issue 25 licenses. But let's focus on having it to work on our computer first. Okay, so you're going to provide a username, username and password. Click on sign up. Okay, you give it some time to load up depending on the internet speed. Okay, so thanks for signing up for Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise trial. Okay, now you have your username. You can check your email for the details. Details, of course, have been sent to my email as well. All right, you can get started. It's going to take you to your dashboard, into your account, your Office portal, where you can manage your licenses and all. Okay, and also the option to install the application into your PC. So that is what we are going to be going through in this video. So I would like you to stick, not skip any part of this video, so that you don't miss it or you encounter error during the installation process. So you click on that, okay, so that you get to see all the apps that you get to install into your system. Now here you can choose between 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, you have that option to choose here. Okay, so whichever system. My system is 64-bit. I'm going to click on that, then click on Install Office. You can see the different apps that are going to be installed in the system. I'm going to click on Install Office. All right, so it's going to download the file, the installation file, which you have to follow this instruction. You click to open. You say yes when you see a prompt on your screen. Then make sure you are connected to the internet, because of course you are going to be downloading this particular Office into your system. Now it's good you have about you should have up to 3 gig of data in your provider, your internet service provider, so that you have sufficient internet to download this. It's actually consumed around 2 gig, but just have about 3 gig depending on your internet speed and all of that. You get to know what you're going to consume. So I didn't consume up to 2 gig. I actually consumed, I think, around 2.85 gig of data. All right, so this is going to take a bit of time depending on your internet speed. Mine wasn't too fast though, so I had to pause the video. Okay, I'm going to pause the video at this point and come at different point in time, so that I don't bore you while you keep watching this installation process. Okay, as you can see, it's already 50%. All right. Okay, we're almost done. All right, as you can see, the installation process is almost complete. It's almost complete. Yes, your all set. Office has been installed in your system. Now, if you are getting value from this, I would like you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, so you're going to go to one of the applications. You're going to click on Word, so that you get to see that this has been installed successfully into the system. Please, this is not the end of it. Okay, this is not the end of it. I'm going to show you what will make this, life free for life, because right now it is just 30-day trial. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to make it completely free for you. Okay, so right now when you open the Word application or any of the Office application, you're going to get a prompt to sign in, or enter your product. We are going to sign in. Don't forget that we created an account. That's what you are going to enter here. Okay, your unique domain, okay, with the username, if you remember, that you created. So that's exactly what you're going to enter here. Make sure you enter it correctly. Check that you spelled the onmicrosoft.com correctly. Okay, this is a subdomain and that is your username. You enter, click next, and enter your password. Okay, you enter your password. Enter your password. Okay, then you are in. Like I said, now allow my organization to manage my device is optional. Okay, you don't need to actually tick that. Okay, you can even untick it. Okay, but let's walk through the entire process together. So you give this a bit of time while it configures your system. All right, so make sure you like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, if you are getting value from this, you can leave your comment below. If you have any issue, okay, maybe you try to install it and you encounter any challenge, leave your comments below and I'm going to respond to you and see how I can be of support to you to get this application installed. Now you are all set, and as you can see, it is installed successfully. Okay, done. But this is not everything yet. Okay, we are getting to the most important part of this video, so I would like you to stick with this, because if you miss the part of activating this Windows for Life, then after 30 days you won't be able to use this particular Office application. So I would like you to follow me as we go through all of this. All right, and as you can see, Office has been activated. Right now, this is a trial version. Okay, this is a trial version. I'm going to be showing you how to make this, okay, free for you to use. Even after the trial version, you still have access to your account. Okay, so please follow me closely as we do this together. Right, so I'm going to be providing this link for you. You go to the description, you're going to see this particular link. I'm also going to pin this in the comment section. You download. Okay, please follow this step. This is the most important part of this video. Okay, save it to your desktop or whatever part of your device you want to save it. Okay, now this is a text file. Now you're going to rename this file, but before you rename it, there's an important step too that you must take. Please follow me closely. Okay, you have to go to your antivirus software and deactivate it for this moment. All right, you just have to deactivate it for this moment, because of course it's going to identify it as a virus. All right, which actually is not, but of course Microsoft has its way of trying to protect this application. So whatever is it that is trying to alter it, it flags it as a virus. Okay, so please, you're going to save as, right, as, now you put a .cmd at the end of the text. Okay, to save it as a command prompt file. Right, save. Now you're going to go to where you've saved the file. You're going to right click on it, the CMD file, you right click and run it as administrator. This is also very important. It's important that you do this, and in the meantime, make sure you close the Office application. If it's open, try and close it, make sure it's closed. All right, that is an important step that you should take. Close the Office application, right click on this, do run as admin. And you're going to make sure you're also connected to the internet, because it's going to go to the internet and try to activate the Office 365 for you. Okay, so now you might encounter failure in your first attempt, even in your second attempt. Do not get discouraged. Sometimes this is as a result of your internet speed and all of that. Okay, when I did this, it got activated the very first time I tried. So I would like you to do this with a good internet, and even if it fails, don't give up. You have to try again and again until you get to see it activated, like you're going to see in your screen right now. Now I believe you're getting value for all of this. As you can see, the product activation successful. That means you can use this Office application for as long as you want. All right, let's see how far this goes. Okay, for as long as you want. Okay, so now you can close this window by just typing in the screen, and it closes it. Now that it is activated, you can open your Word and see for yourself that you still have access to your Word, your Microsoft 365 application. As you can see here, okay, you can do whatever you need to do in your document. all the options are active, as you can see. All right, when you go to your account, you see the product is activating. Now make sure you subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell in case I create more videos like this. You will be one of the first persons who get to know about it. Okay, now you can go back to your antivirus. All right, you can go back and activate your antivirus. Right, that's to tell you this is also what you get from this. Now thank you so much. Please, you can see we have access. You can delete the CMD file, delete it, then activate your antivirus, and that is it. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.